Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today is October 7th, 2025. I am going to harvest Murungai leaves. This is the last harvest in the summer for this year. First, I will let you know about the Murungai tree. The Murungai tree is called Moringa tree or simply Murungai in Tamil, from which the English name Moringa is derived. Muringai is a highly nutritional plant with its leaves, pods, and flowers widely used in Tamil cuisine for their health benefits, often called the miracle tree. Now I am pinching off Muringai leaves one by one from the plants to harvest leaves. Muringai leaves are a nutritional powerhouse packed with vitamins, minerals, proteins, and antioxidants. The health benefits of moringa leaves are boosting immunity, fighting inflammation, managing blood sugar and cholesterol, protecting the liver, improving brain health, aiding digestion, and supporting bone strength. Next, I will let you know how we are growing moringa tree from seeds and cuttings. 5 years back, we started growing moringa tree from seeds in big pots contain well-drained potting soil and compost in the early summer outdoor, when the outdoor temperature was above 70 °F consistently. Before sowing moringa seeds in big pots, first I choked the seeds in water for one day to speed up germination. Every year in late summer, we bring the tree pots to indoor in our grow room when outdoor temperature, especially nighttime temperature, before going down to 50 °F. Every year in early summer, we take out the tree pots to outdoor in full sun area when outdoor temperature is above 70 °F consistently. Every year in the summer outdoor, we change the tree pot soil with the new potting mix and compost. We pour water regularly to the plants in the outdoor, but we pour water weekly once in the indoor. Monthly once, we harvest moringa leaves to encourage bushier growth. It doesn't matter whether the tree pots are in the outdoor or indoor. Murungai is a fast growing tree plant, so we trim the tall branches in the end of summer outdoor 1 month before bringing the tree pots to indoor. When we trim the tree branches to reduce height, we plant the cuttings in big pots to grow newer plants from the cuttings. Just I completed Murungai leaves harvest now. Overall, I am very happy about the Moringa leaves harvest today. Next, I am going to make Murungai Keerai fry later today. If you liked this video and wanted to see more gardening videos from Jaya Gardens channel, give it a thumbs up, subscribe and share this video to your friends and families. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.